very first trial of its kind here in France. The first case, however, that was filed against a suspect of the Rwandan genocide here in France was back in 1995. And indeed, in 1996, France passed a law that would enable them to put forward such a trial. However, as you say, almost 20 years on, and we're only seeing this event come to light today. France was even fined by the European Court of Human Rights back in 2004 for its tardiness on one case. Now, one can only look at the relations France has had with Rwanda since the genocide. Indeed, France was present in Rwanda before the events of 1994, supporting the Hutu president of the time, Habyarimana, and his troops. France has then been accused of, training and arming the Hutu militia that went on to take part in the genocide back in the early 90s. Very tense relations indeed with the current president even of Rwanda, Paul Kagame. France at one point accused him of orchestrating the event that, attack on the president that sparked the entire genocide. Now, this accusation has since been withdrawn, and since about 2009 we've seen a thawing of relations between the two countries. The outcome of this trial will no doubt play a big part in how they will move on from here. Already, the lawyers for the accused, Pascal Simbikangwa, are calling for it to be cancelled. They say that really it is a very unfair trial, that they don't have the same access to resources as the civil plaintiffs in this case. They say they haven't had the same access to witnesses or even to travel to Rwanda. Now, they say that it isn't a mark of weakness but just a simple fact, and they want to put that fact to the court this afternoon. So far in the trial, they pretty much a matter of fact first day of the trial, we picked the jury, and then they were basically the jury that was chosen was given a history lesson of the Rwanda and that power play between the minority Tutsis and the majority Hutus since, in fact, the Belgian occupation, the colonization all those years ago, right up to the genocide of 1994.